Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we'll explore how to bet on 1x bet for beginners. Before we continue, don't miss this secret 300% bonus that gave me $200 total on my $50 deposit. Here's exactly how to claim it. After installation, go ahead and select Sign Up. Make sure to enter all your details and include your promo code YOTV in the designated section. This will give you an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. For example, if you deposit $10, you'll receive an additional $30 as a bonus. That's awesome. Don't miss out on it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. So to bet on 1x bet, you first need to deposit, and to do that, you click on Menu and you can click on Deposit at the top in green, or you click on the settings icon and click on Make a Deposit. Here you can see the list of all the payment methods you can use to make a deposit. So all you have to do is select the payment method of your choice. For example, I'm going to select MTN Mobile Money, and here all you have to do is to enter the amount you want to deposit, enter your phone number, your email, and your names. Once you've done that, you're going to click on Confirm, and you're going to complete the transaction with MTN. So when the transaction is complete, you can now go to your homepage, and here you're going to select the type of game you want to bet on. You can select football, tennis, basketball, hockey, whatever you want. I'm just going to click on any match. So betting on this match is really simple. If you think a team is going to win, all you have to do is to click on W1. So after you've done that, the next thing to do is to enter your stake, which is the amount of money you're willing to bet. For example, I'm just going to enter any amount, and basically the potential returns is the amount of money you are going to win if my bet is successful. And the way it's calculated is the amount you're willing to bet multiplied by the odds. And when you're satisfied with the bet, all you have to do is to click on Bet in the green icon to place your bet. As simple as that.